per hour. Areas impacted: Highway 70 north between Clarendon and I-40, including Greenbelt Lake and the National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a fire warning at the request of Oldham County and Potter County offices of emergency management for western Potter and eastern Oldham counties. At 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous wildfire was located over Valley de Oro, or 20 miles northwest of Amarillo, moving rapidly east at 3 to 5 miles per hour. Areas impacted: Valley de Oro and Tuscaloosa Road southeast of Boys Ranch. There is a mandatory evacuation for Valley de Oro. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke.